Hello everybody, good morning. It's Mr. Kerbal, your Grange head teacher, making this video assembly especially for you on the 5th of October 2020, Monday morning. Here I am, and I am so happy to be the head teacher of Grange Primary School because I think it's the best school in the world. And I'm so happy each of you is here at Grange. So at Grange, we want everybody to be really caring. We want everybody to try their best. We want to always be learning, especially if we make a mistake. We don't worry. We learn from our mistake. We just want to get better and better. That's called improvement. We want to keep learning at our schools so that we learn how to make great choices for ourselves, each of us, as we grow up in our lives, and we want to never, ever give up. So today, I want us to think about what is a wise person? What does a wise person look like? Could you stop the video for a moment, please, and speak with the adult in your class, and let's try and think about what does a wise person look like? I've taken a picture of a famous statue, or a sculpture it's called, which is a way an artist can work and make a beautiful sculpture out of stone or marble, and he carves it out. And this was a famous sculpture by an artist called Rodin, and he called the sculpture the Thinker. Can you see why he called the sculpture the Thinker? Can you see this person with their chin on their hand and their deep, deep thinking? They are thinking and thinking. And a wise person is really good at thinking. Thinking, how can I make things better? Thinking, how can I choose and make good choices? How can I make everything better for me? How can I make everything better for the world? How can I do my best? A wise person is really a thinker. So let's think of 3 things that we can really do to help us each be wise. Well, we can do good listening, and if you just take your hand and rub the bottom of your ears so that you really feel it, and say with me, good listening, 1, 2, 3, good listening. And we can say kind words. Point with your finger to your lips and say kind words. So we remember to speak kindly and say things that make people happy. And put your hands out, show both hands and say kind hands. These are kind hands. We use them to give friendly waves, to help people. These are kind hands. So let's think of the 3 things: good listening, kind words, and kind hands. If you do that, then you can be a wise person. You can be a person with a treasure that is called wisdom. At Grange, we have our CC way. Take your hand, put it on your heart. That's confident. That means you really care about yourself and look after yourself. And now circle your hand outwards. Adults will show you. And that's considerate. That's when you're kind and care about the world and care about everybody else. So confident and considerate. Care about yourself and care about everybody else. And we have brilliant CC lining up. That's when we stand one behind another. Our eyes are in front, and when we see the adult come towards us, we have beautiful manners, and we can say, if it's the morning, we can say good morning, and if it's the afternoon, we can say good afternoon. That's CC lining up. And then we have CC walking. So we make space for the person in front of us. We make space for the person behind us. We put our hands on our heart. And that is called CC walking, because we walk with our hand on our heart, proud of ourselves, confident, and considerate, because we know everybody is learning and doing well in our school. We want to be quiet so we don't disturb them, and we can be proud of our school. So we've got some stars of this week, and we've got gold for Rosanna. Really well done, Rosanna. Sophia, we are so proud of you. And Houston, my goodness, what a fantastic start for our 3 gold Grange pupils. Well done. And now this is a very, very big number. 6,626 positive CC points last week. Now, the first thing you've got to do is learn how to really count up to 10. So everybody, take your fingers and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you can count to 10, and if you really know what 10 is, you can one day be able to work with massive numbers like this. Because he hasn't even, well, it's going to tell us, I'm going to tell you who were the champion classes who really helped to give those big numbers. Well, I have to give a big shout out to Olauda Equino class in nursery. You have done brilliantly, but the champion class with 160 CC positive points was Greta Thunberg class. So everybody in Greta Thunberg class, have a little silent cheer and pat yourselves on the back, and well done to you. We're so proud of you. All of us in the whole school, look at this massive number, 17,131. Remember what I said? Work with your numbers, learn your numbers, use every opportunity to be brilliant at maths so that you can work with these massive big numbers. Now, can you see this? This dog is Freddie, and he's Miss Edwards' dog. And Miss Edwards, she's deputy head teacher at Grange. And Freddie is her dog, and she spoke with Freddie, and Freddie said if we get 21,000 points, he's going to be so proud of us, he will send a video message to the Grange community. So everybody, let's do our best, and let's hope that we get enough points that Freddie will make a video for us. Now, children, this is what we always say. Be great, be Grange. There you see it spin. Be great, be Grange. Live your lives with confidence and consideration, and enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Everybody, let's say it. Be Grange.